Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars GP Plus V3 Graphite one-piece race suit. The GP Plus V3 Graphite race suit retails for $11.99 as the time we're shooting this video. Please understand, we never update the videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Alpinestars has a very wide suit catalog, and I feel like I say this all the time, but sometimes when I look at the product descriptions, we're building out the new stuff for the website, I ask myself, why do we need another one, right? And with this one, I think in general, the product images didn't even come at close to doing this suit justice, okay? This is a great suit. It's well built, right? It has all the features and bennies from a non-airbag suit that I would look for, and it's in a great fit pattern that we're going to cover more in a second. But the styling of this suit is super unique. You just look at how clean it is. It's all murdered out and blacked out, and let's just be realistic. Some people, they really want that, and even the leather itself, right, has such a super nice hand. I mean, this is a striking suit. It feels so high-end when you have the opportunity to experience it in person, and you just can't get that from those product images that they supply us to build a website, bottom line. Let's dive into sizing, okay? I think that's one of the areas we can really help you out. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, 196 pounds, 33-inch waist, right now during the Corona apocalypse. Okay, I'm wearing a size 54 Euro in this suit. Over the last couple of years, we've seen Alpinestars introduce a brand new fit for their race suits. This one is like that. I'm normally a 56 in their stuff, but once they've updated the fit, and you can see how pre-curved and how ergonomic, you know, especially, look at the saggy butt, right? That's how this is designed to look when you're standing up in it, because if you watch, when I get down into the riding position, what happens is the seat of the suit gets filled out, and I'm not just stretching the panel to the max, right? So it is literally cut to be on the bike. When you're trying this on, make sure that you have on anything you'd wear underneath it. For example, right now, I have on the brand new KR-1 cell back protector underneath this, plus, you know, just a one-piece undersuit that we sell here at STG. This is what I would ride in if I were going to go out in the suit. I did try the chest protector too, and that fit really good as well. I don't have that on right now. So make sure you try on everything that you would normally wear. Get it on, move around in a little bit, but most importantly, get on a motorcycle. Because remember, the pattern is this. The pattern is not this. The pattern is not this. Okay, the pattern is this position, arms out in front. And that's how you want to evaluate the fit. We'll show you some footage while I'm on the bike. I would say I get a really good race fit from this suit. I really dig it. Features and benefits that come with it. There is ample perforation. Remember, all the stretch fabric is going to flow air as well, so this is going to move plenty of air. Certainly it is a black color, and some people like to argue, oh, black's going to be too hot in the summertime. Well, I have a Racing Absolute, and guess what color it is? It is black, okay? End of the day, you're wearing a suit on a bike, guess what it's going to be? Hot. There's no doubt. But once you get moving on the motorcycle, the perforation, the air starts moving through it. In my opinion, from white to black, there's just not a massive difference, okay? Armor complement. CE certified race level armor, elbow form. Got a motion panel here. Same type of armor in the shoulder, external shoulder slider. If you're going to ride in the street, there's a reflective panel there, fantastic. It has CE certified armor in the hips. This is their brand, I'm going to show you this in the second part. This is their brand new Nucleon Flex Plus, right? It's super low profile. You don't even notice it's there. I wish my Racing Absolute had that in it. I think this is better than what's in that suit, okay? But that's just the evolution of armor. If you look at the knee, part of this cut too is just the way they shape the leg. It shapes up so nicely. In the knee area, the knee and shin armor is the same type of stuff we enjoy in the elbows and shoulders. We have an external knee slider and a replaceable knee slider as well. The liner of the suit is fully removable. If you're ever going to wash it, remember, hand wash, mild detergent, and only line dry. If you're a street rider, there's a waterproof pocket in the liner. That's up to you. When I come back, we're going to take the suit off and give you a very close look from the inside out. Okay, the GP Plus V3 Graphite one-piece race suit from the inside out. Let's start off with the armor that it comes with. This is all CE certified. This is the same armor we're seeing in all the race suits, right? So it's top level stuff. Elbow and form, large coverage area, right? Got kind of like a medium density there, some foam on the inside. Stuff works really good. Here is the knee and shin. Here is your shoulder. Removable, ventilated race hump. You can see how this thing is channeled out. You got like an intake up here in the top, right? All channeled out from the inside. It just encourages movement of air through that spot in the suit. Removable, washable liner, okay? If you're ever gonna wash this thing, a very mild detergent, hand wash and line dry. This isn't the kind of thing you throw in the washing machine and then throw it in the dryer and hope it doesn't shrink, okay? So do it all by hand. Here's your waterproof storage pocket, left side. Still not sure why they put those in race suits, but they do. If you want to use their snap back protector attachment thing, which personally I don't really get into too much, right? It is there. I usually take that off and kind of cast it off to the side, create more room in the suit. You'll see different fabrics are used here. Some spacer fabrics to maintain a pocket of air between your body and the suit itself. Down here in the lower legs, pretty effective stuff. Just climate control things. Now, hip armor. You know, what I like that they did here is this is a combination of foam, and then you're going to see something that looks very similar to their new, like, Nucleon Plus armor here. Kind of see if I can pull this out a little bit. You know, this is really trick stuff. If you want to remove it, you can do that. And there it is, right? That is their Nucleon Flex Plus armor. Look at that. Crazy. You're going to get nice protection in the hip area, both sides of the suit, and that's integrated in the liner. Shell of the suit itself, that is 1.3 millimeter premium cowhide. I love the look of the leather. Like, there's a lot of suits in the catalog. When I saw this one added to it, I'm like, hey, dude, why are you doing it? And the pictures, you know, it's so hard to take a product picture, but when you get this thing in your hand and you look at it, you're like, damn, that is actually pretty badass. Got a lot of perforation here. Top of the race hump, bottom of the race hump for exchange of air. Segmented perf here. Large stretch paneling here. Large stretch paneling used in the shoulder blade area, intersects with the stretch fabric from the arm and the chest. Integrated tailbone protector is stitched into the suit itself, and this one actually feels pretty damn robust, right? Like maybe a little bit of an upgrade there. Some segmented perf here. There's going to be 2 layers of leather in the suit. We'll try and show you that as we do the inside out portion. Heavy stretch fabric is used here in this area. That allows for ventilation as well as freedom of movement. If you have large calves, it has that expansion panel here. Just zip that open like Max. Max has got some cankles. So I open these up for him, right, on his race suits, and it makes really a big difference. You can see here's your entry zip down here. A little stretch fabric up here in the shin area to debulk. Arm and shoulder. Heavy pre-curve to it. This is their new fit pattern. Motion panel in the elbow. A reflective stripe there in case you're out on the road with it. Shoulder slider. This works in concert with that shoulder armor to really amp up the protection you're going to get in that area. Front of the suit. We have a really solid amount of perforation, okay? Remember, all the stretch fabric you see here, that also flows air. So this is going to be a high airflow suit for sure. You've got an embossed A-Stars logo split by that big zip right there. Pretty cool. You get inside the suit. You know, you're going to find in your impact zones multiple layers of leather. Okay, and here's, like, for example, the seat of the suit. Let's see if we can't kind of get in there and see what they did. That tailbone protector, you know, it almost feels like it's got some of that Nucleon stuff, and it's hard to say, but a lot of thickness there, and that is a vulnerable spot. We have like a little drop seat here, a couple layers of leather. You know, you're not going to wear through that. You know, and you'll find reinforcements of that nature here in the shoulder, right? And then additional layers are going to be found here. For example, in the forearm, see that? Another layer of leather. Locking zippers right there. Large stretch panel here in the knee area. external knee slider, replaceable knee puck, of course. All in all, what do I think? It's a great suit. It's a non-airbag suit, so if you're not an airbag shopper, you want a standard suit, you're gonna wear a back protector, perhaps a chest protector under it. And the styling is really clean, right? And this is something that has probably been requested numerous times for something that's just really clean styling. It looks more murdered out, blacked out than it does racing. This would be for you. It's pretty impressive when you get it in your hands. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section of the video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm here to make sure that you get the best possible experience with your next race suit you buy from STG.